Weather and climate. Weather. Weather is defined as a condition of air pressure, air temperature, wind, humidity, and rainfall at a certain place and at a certain time. Weather changes every day. It may be hot or dry today, but rainfall and wet the another day. Even the weather in the morning can be different from the weather in the evening. The changes in weather condition give rise to season. In India, we enjoy 3 seasons: summer, winter, and monsoon. Climate. The changes in weather condition over a large area and for a long period of time is called climate. The climate of a place remains more or less the same year after year. Different parts of the world have different types of climate. What influences climate? Distance from the equator. We know that the rays of the sun falls on the earth. Near the equator, the rays are vertical and are spread over small area near the equator. But as we move away from equator towards the north and south pole, the rays become slanting and cover large area. Thus, the places near the equator receives more heat. That is why these places are hotter than those which are away from equator. Distance from the sea. The places near the coast are neither too hot nor too cold. That is, they have moderate climate. This is due to the effect of sea breeze. That is, the sea water heats up and cool down at slower rate than the land. In summers, the sea is cooler than the land. Hence, the air over the sea is cooler than that of over the land. This cool air is called sea breeze, which blows from sea to land, and this makes the land cooler. But in winters, opposite happens and the land becomes warmer. But the places far away from the sea do not get the sea breeze. So that is why they are extremely hot in summers and extremely cold in winters. Such climate is called extreme climate. Example, in Delhi. In Delhi, when it is winter, it is very cold, and when it is summer, it is extremely hot. Height above the sea level. Now the places which are above the sea level, that means all the hill stations such as Shimla, Nainital, Ooty, these places are cool even in summers. Also, most peaks in Himalayas are covered with snow in the summers. This shows that all the places which are located at higher altitudes or above the sea level remains colder than those at the lower altitudes. Direction of winds. Now, the winds blowing from hot region increases the temperature of a place, while those blowing from cold region decreases the temperature. Like, Delhi is hot in summer because of the dry hot wind that is coming and blowing from Rajasthan. And in winters, the cold wind coming from Himalayas makes the whole northern India very cold. And similarly, the winds blowing from the sea area makes the land near the sea cold and moist. Humidity and rainfall. Moisture or water vapor present in the air is called humidity. The places near the equator are hot and humid and receive lot of rainfall. because the humid air causes rainfall. That is why the air over desert area do not have moisture. So these places receive very little or no rainfall. The very cold places experience snowfall. Also, the amount of rainfall at a particular place also leads to the change in climate of the place.